In this video we have listed the top 5 best car amplifier on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Boss Car Amplifier with Subwoofer Control. Low-level inputs, RCA preamp outputs, switchable phase control. Variable low-pass crossover, variable bass boost, variable subsonic filter. Included remote subwoofer control, red LED backlit illumination. Dimensions: depth 18-inch, width 10.3-inch, height 2.3-inch. 6-year platinum online dealer warranty. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Planet Audio Car Amplifier Remote Subwoofer. Class AB Monoblock, MOSFET power supply. 1500 watts 2 ohms max power, 1125 watts RMS 2 ohms. High and low level inputs. Variable low pass crossover, bass boost. Remote subwoofer control. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Kenwood Monoblock Compact Car Amplifier. Compact Series Monoblock Class D Car, Marine Amplifier. RMS power rating, 4 ohms, 200 watts, 1 channel, 2 ohms, 300 watts 1 channel. Max power output, 600 watts 1 channel. Pulse Width Modulated MOSFET power supply. LED power, green, and protect, red, indicators, soft start turn on. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Heatsink RMS Monoblock Subwoofer Amplifier. Simpatico coil design, ultra-high pulse width modulated MOSFET power supply. Wired remote bass level control included, variable bass boost. Soft start sound function, mono-channel operation. Preamp RCA outputs to daisy chain multiple amps. Heavy-duty aluminum alloy vented heatsink for maximum heat dissipation. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Rockford Fosgate Class G 1-channel amplifier. Misfit power and output stages. Frequency response, 2250 Hz. Onboard punch jack with 18 decibels boost 45 Hz. Real-time output and power supply thermal sensing. Cast aluminum heatsink, top-mounted controls. Check the description for best price and details.